Finance. The Finance Domain Task Force, anything to do with finance, insurance, banking, currency exchange, you name it. This is the domain of Finance Task Force. And just a couple of items that I want to highlight. First is 502.1 RFC. This is the next version of the Financial Instrument Business Ontology, which has had widespread success. And we're going to be seeing that later this year. But also in conjunction with blockchain, they are producing an RFI in September for digital currency. So this isn't just blockchain. This is any sort of purely digital currency that we are starting to see appear at various nations are experimenting with this. And this is an attempt to produce an international global standard that could be used to describe digital currencies across the board. So again, this is very early in the process. This is the RFI. They're going to be looking for interest. So look forward to the publication of that and choose which ones you would like to respond to.